Alright, sorry my last video cut off in the middle of what I was saying. I guess this is part two, so let's go ahead and pick up where I left off. Now, I was saying that with the mapping that I have, basically gives us access to every single feature, almost every single feature. The mapping I had for the MK2, by a friend of mine from Germany. His name is Frank Bash, and you can visit his website at frankbash.com. And if you guys don't have the MK3 yet and you have an MK2, I would highly recommend downloading Frank's mini mapping for the Maschine MK2, because that not only gives you access to more features than what I have right now, but basically his mapping, and I'm not sure how he did it yet, but in his mapping, all of the new sequencing abilities inside of Traktor are available on the MK3, which I do find that those are quite limited in what you can do with your sound, like velocities and all different things like that. But they're there and they're available for the MK2, and I do have that mapping available if someone wants to find out how to get it. But let's have a look real quick at some of the features we do have access to right now for the MK3, which if you Google search Traktor mappings for the MK3, you will basically come up empty-handed, and like the first hit you'll come to is that there is no mapping available for Traktor for the MK3, but there is, and it's quite in depth. So without making this video run too long for each video, because they take forever to upload, let's look at our features that we have mapped already for the MK3 and Traktor. So, okay, right now we're going to control deck A, control deck B, control C, and control for deck D. So now we're controlling A, we can play. Okay. All of our looping is available for each track. Okay, and that's the same. So if you were going to control deck B and play, okay, now we're playing deck B. Okay, and it's basically the same mapping mapped out for each track deck and Traktor, and that's just not just for regular track decks. This mapping also has stems mapped. So if we go to deck D and we play deck D, now our stem deck is playing, and then we go ahead and we switch over to CD. Now we have control for all of our stem decks. Okay. Fucking great. Like I said, I mean, every feature is pretty much available, and it would take a much longer video to show you all of them. But we'll just go over here to Machine, and I'll show you that, yes, deck D is playing. If you look in Machine software, deck D is coming through. Okay, so if we stop, we go to deck C, say we play C. Oh yeah, I'm on my phone brushing shit. I ain't never say you keep the accolades in the frame. B. Unzip the bag, dip in my hand. Deck A. Sometimes you can't keep it real. So yeah, all of the audio is routed individually for each track deck. And like I was trying to show you before, shift control, if we go to our mixer and we play, go to our mixer, you can see the audio is coming through. If we were to play 2 tracks. So, let's stop the video there.